Okay, hello everyone. So today on Heidi's Home, we have got my Walmart Plus haul. This is for the first week of, I can't believe it, but we're in March. Unbelievable, right? I don't know if you guys know. I'm just like lost with my videos right now. I'm working on some. I don't even know when you're going to see this. But all I got to say is my husband and I are going to try to eat a little bit healthier, a little bit better for ourselves. And so, in correlation with what I've already got in the refrigerator and the pantry, this is our groceries for a week. And I think I spent $87. I also got 2 giant 40 count water. I got cases of water. We had 2 waters as of this morning in this entire house. So I got 2 cases, and that way we are stocked up again. It got cold here again today. It is in the 20s right now outside. It is cold. That air is cold. My heat has been running like crazy. But I want to show you guys what I bought, starting with jumbo russet potatoes for baked potatoes and cooking. Love the jumbo potatoes because honestly, when you have a bag of potatoes, things are endless on what you can do with potatoes. I opted and got, don't tell Ronnie, but it is turkey, Polish kielbasa. I have got a healthy recipe that I'm going to try that is cabbage and potato and kielbasa in the crock pot. It looked amazing, and I was like, we have got to have that one night for dinner. So that is going to be a healthy meal. Blueberries, because I'm going to make some more of my yogurt, like little parfait breakfast things, because I'm going to be busy and going to the gym early in the mornings. So I've got Greek yogurt for that. I've also got chia seeds in the pantry, bananas. So I'll be eating some bananas with it sometimes. Low-fat cottage cheese for my husband because you know he loves that. I wanted the whole wheat buns. They did not have any. And they were like, oh, it'll be ordered and you'll get it eventually and it'll be a separate order. That is really irritating. And I have a time kind of maneuvering the Walmart Plus site. That's the only thing I've noticed, that if, say this really isn't what I want and they don't have the ones I ordered, I really they didn't really give me anything that was really a substitute. And so that was kind of weird. I just opted for regular hamburger buns. And there you go. And that is to go with these. If you haven't, and I realize that Tyson chicken patties are probably not the best choice as far as healthy is concerned, but they are the ultimate in deliciousness. If you have not had the spicy chicken patties, they are not so hot that they like burned your mouth when you eat them, or your lips are on fire or anything, but they are absolutely delicious. I actually like making sandwiches with this as much as I like to eat at Chick-fil-A. And I just put these in the oven. Really, really good. Really kind of hits that fast food need, if you will. It's quick, it's easy, and it tastes good, and it's very filling. So that's that. Got my husband a giant jar of peanuts. He's completely out of nuts. He eats a handful of nuts pretty much every night as a snack, so that is that. Got the ground turkey. I'm planning to make, I'm out of breath. Can you guys tell? Planning to split this. I'm going to do half chili with it, half penne pasta and pasta sauce, which is my mushroom. I got 2 of those. And again, wanted whole wheat pasta. They did not have it on the site. I could not figure out how to get it on there. And then anything that I did make work, they said it would have to be in a separate shipment to come to me and all that kind of thing. So probably what I'll do is, since what I have learned is if there are specific things that I have that issue with. When I go to another store or whatever, just stock up on the whole wheat pasta because you know you're going to need it. So that is that. A sweet treat for every evening, Skinny Cow. I don't know, my friend Kim loves this Skinny Cow and she always talks about it. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get a box of Skinny Cow for myself to have one every night. I went to the dentist. Everything is good. Hallelujah. But they gave me a sample pack of these. Really love them. I have a really hard time flossing my teeth. Not because I don't try to do it. Obviously I do. But I had some extensive wisdom teeth surgery. And it left me with like trimmer jaw syndrome. And I have a really hard time with flossing my teeth. And there are a lot of foods that I actually cannot eat because of since I had that done. But these here, really awesome, did the trick, and highly recommend them. They are a little pricey, but I mean, come on. Really, this is sort of a necessity. I don't want to have to get any dental work done, so I'm going to take care of those teeth of mine. Strawberry peach sounded really good. I opted for that one. They said they had it in stock. I didn't want to fight with it anymore. And finally, bought the right laundry detergent. Somebody asked me to tell them what I thought about this because this is the generic of the Gain. Personally, I don't think that it is as fragranted as the Gain laundry detergent. However, it has a nice fresh scent. It does work good as far as cleaning the laundry. And if you use the Gain crystals or Downy crystals, you don't miss the scent at all. But I love it. I use it, and I save money by buying generic. There you go. And that's all I've got to say about that, because last time I accidentally bought what would be like the equivalent of this brand in softener. Same kind of bottle, too. And I didn't even know softener came in a bottle like that, so that's why it was accidentally bought. And I have not taken it back, so I'm probably going to end up using it. So there you go. I've got it on hand. A loaf of bread back there, because when all else fails, there is peanut butter and jelly if needed. Or bologna. My husband loves bologna, so if needed, we have bread. And that is all I bought in my Walmart haul, and I hope you all have a fantastic night or day when you see this. This is my first haul for the month of March, so I will be doing another one probably really soon, in about a week. Have a blessed day. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment about whether or not you have Walmart Plus, you think. Do you like these products that are turkey and a little less fat? Let me know that too, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.